Okay, so you guys are going to help me do this algebra elimination. We're going to solve this system of two equations using elimination, which means we're going to either add or subtract these two entire equations and then drop out one of the variables, use that to solve for one of the variables, plug it back in, and then we have x and y. We have the point where the two systems intersect. That's the whole point of this whole thing. So for this problem to line up, we need to do, I really have to come from this side. Okay, so we need to set these two problems up so that we can eliminate something. What is one step we can do, Mckeogh, to start getting ready to set that up?
Multiply the bottom one by 2.
I didn't hear you.
Multiply the bottom one by 2.
Multiply the bottom one by 2. I'm going to go over here so we can line up our new one. So we have 2 times 5x is 10x. And we have 2 times negative 5y is negative 10y equals 2 times 10, 20. Okay, and Lizzie, what should we do with the top equation?
Multiply it by 5.
Multiply by 5. So we multiply by 5. 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times negative 2y. 5 times negative 2y is negative 10y. And then that equals 10. Sam, what variable is going to drop out if we perform the correct operation?
You're going to get rid of the y.
We're looking to get rid of the y. Do we have to add the 2 or subtract the 2 to get rid of the y?
Subtract.
So we're going to subtract this bottom equation from the top. 15x minus 10x is 5x. Negative 10y minus a negative 10y is just plus 10y, so negative plus a positive is 0. Plus 0 equals, and we're subtracting negative 10. And then 5x equals negative 10. And divide each side by 5. X equals negative 2. From here, how do we use this information, x equals negative 2, to finish the problem, Lizzie?
You plug it into the original equation.
Which original equation should I plug it into, Lizzie?
First one.
The first one, but does it really matter?
No.
It doesn't matter, but we want to plug it into the one that's a little easier. So I'm going to rewrite the first one as 3x minus 2y equals 2. And then I need to plug in negative 2 for x. Sorry. Minus 2y equals 2. 3 times negative 2, negative 6 minus 2y equals 2. Plus 6, plus 6, negative 2y equals 8. Rebecca, are we still on the screen on this very bottom?
You're almost off the screen.
Okay, scroll it down a little bit so you can see it. Or use that. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have negative 2y equals 8. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Y equals negative 4. How do we write that as a answer, as a point? Ryan?
Negative 2 comma negative 4 or 2 comma 4?
No, I think it's just negative and negative. They only intersect at negative 2, negative 4.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, so that's systems of equations with elimination.